In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, many of us spend hours working in Jira, and let's be honest, staring at a bright screen can strain your eyes, especially during long nights or if you're working in a dimly lit environment. Luckily, Jira offers a dark mode option which not only looks sleek but can also provide relief to your eyes. So let's get right into it. First things first, you need to log into your Jira account. Open up your browser, navigate to the Jira homepage, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your dashboard in all its glory. Now we'll be looking for your profile menu, which is super easy to find. Just head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture or avatar icon. Click on it, and it will open a drop-down menu for you. Once you have that menu open, take a moment to look over the options presented to you. Among these choices, you should see an option labeled Theme. Go ahead and click on this. It's worth mentioning that changing your theme is a simple process that can really enhance your user experience. Now, as soon as you click on Theme, you're going to see a list of different themes available to you. Here, the option we're interested in is the dark mode. Click on the Dark option, and just like that, you will notice an immediate transformation. Your entire interface will shift to a beautiful dark color palette. Isn't that nice? The dark mode provides a much softer background, which can help reduce eye strain and create a more comfortable visual experience, particularly when you're in low light conditions. Plus, let's be honest, it just looks really cool and modern. Now, if for some reason you decide that dark mode isn't right for you, switching back is just as easy. You would follow the same steps again. Head back to your profile menu, select Theme, and then choose the Default or Light option. But I have a feeling that once you try dark mode, you'll want to stick with it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Jira. It's a quick and simple way to enhance your productivity while also protecting your eyes from harsh lighting. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to take a moment and give dark mode a real try. Notice how it feels while you're working on your tasks, and pay attention to how your eyes feel after extended usage. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this and keeps us motivated to bring you more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy Jiraing!